Welcome back everyone to another lesson on Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we're going to go over min and max function. Now, I already discussed you guys with 3 other formulas, and I already told you that you need to know 5 main formulas on Excel. And we're going to end that short list with these 2 formulas as well, which is minimum and maximum formula. So let's go over to Microsoft Excel and let me show you what these formulas can do. So we are back on Microsoft Excel, and you can see that I have this chart ready over here, and this chart would be familiar to you guys because I use them in other lessons as well, but I added 2 more rows, which is minimum value and maximum value. Now what this actually does is that the minimum value or the minimum function will actually find out the lowest value of data and present it using its formula, and maximum value does the opposite of that. So to do that, simply we just need to go over to the cell and just type in the traditional way of writing a formula is by clicking on the equal button and then giving up open parenthesis, or first we have to give the min. Just type in min and you'll find it in our screen tips right over here, and we can just select open parenthesis, and inside we're going to reference the cells that we need. Now the cells that I want is these 3 cells over here, right? And if I close parenthesis and then type in enter, you can see it gives us the minimum number that is available on these 3 cells, which is this one, the 2021 cell that represents 3,449. Alright, so the same thing goes with the maximum value, but this time we have to add the maximum function. To do that, just simply type in and just type in max, and we already have function ready over here. Open parenthesis, add in the cells that we want, which is this one, close parenthesis, press enter, and you can see that it gives us the number, which is the maximum number, which is 4005. Alright, now in Excel we already know that we have an autofill option that actually gives us much more time, and it saves a lot of time as well. So to do that, if I select every single cell using the autofill option, including the maximum value, you can see that it will autofill every single cells automatically, right? And to double check it, you can just go over and double click on it, and you can see the references are the same and the answer is also correct. So if I go over here to the maximum value, I can just autofill it as well, just like this. Okay, so that is how you work with the minimum value and the maximum value or function, however you want to place it. Okay, it is very easy to handle, and you can actually use it very simply as well. Alright, so I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope this lesson was helpful for you guys, and if you have any problem, you can contact us, no problem. We're always here to help you guys. So with this, I'm going to end this lesson, and I will see you in the next lesson.